Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna showcase you how to basically use the contextual menu with the right click and how to open certain files that you want to open with it by basically using a program shortcut. For example, in my videos, I set that I can open it quickly with Avidemux here, modify with Avidemux. This is not a option made by Avidemux or in its settings, but I created myself. So it's really quite simple. You just download a useful tool called Right Click Extender Enhancer. Sorry, Right Click Enhancer here by rbsoft.org. It says try it for free. I thought it was a demo, but no, it's a free program. You're just limited. It's quite easy to use. Once it's installed, you just open it here. Because it's a free version, it will say that you can do certain things, there are limitations, and you will see each time this window. But the free version is super good. Don't let that drop your attention. And it's super good also to fix contextual menu that you don't wanna have, that you don't wanna use. Be careful before doing this. Do a backup of your registry. But with the video, just go to right click shortcut creator, then search for your type of file that you extension that you want to use. In my case, dot mkv. Here, as you can see, I already made one. But it's really simple. Just search here the program. I use everything to search it. In my case, avidemux.exe. Paste the path. Now, if you want to add also a folder, you can. So basically, as a shortcut, I did also here data. I can go immediately here. But in this case, you want to add a file. Paste the link that you used. Delete the execute the program. Go here. Then search for the .exe. avidemux.exe. Then argument, copy and paste the percentage one. Copy percentage one, it means that we take the first argument of your selection. In this case, you just select one file, so it always works. And then change the name into whatever you want, test Avidemux. Clip, and click Save Changes. You can only do this at least 4 in each extension because it's the free version. But I don't think you need the more shortcuts. Then just go to your file, right click, and now it is Test Avidemux Clip. It's a really useful tool because maybe you want, like I did for my PNGs and JPEGs. I didn't add nothing to my PNG, sorry, JPG. Because I modify all images. You can also modify entire sections. In this case, not system, where it is image. I added two more actions. Browse with earphone view and edit with screenshot. Now, if I open whatever image I want, for example, downloads, Fireshot, here Star Rune. I made as default to open with, for example, Paint. Here's Paint. But let's say I wanted to go with Green Shot. Edit with Green Shot. Here it is. Open File Manager. Or in case I want to, uh, wait a second. Okay, let's say I wanted to browse in my folders. Just click on this browse with earphone view, and voila, you can browse with earphone view. And that's pretty much it. Uh, Hope this small tutorial will come in handy, and thank you for watching.